Hello everyone, my name is Nam Dao. I have been working at Saratech for 4 years, and today I'm going to discuss with you about what is the tile, benefits of using the tile, and how to create in the active workspace. So this is an agenda we will go into today's section. First, I will give you an overview of what is the tile and benefits of using the tile in active workspace. Then I will show you the prerequisite and step on how to create a custom tile. And finally, I will do a quick demonstration on how to create the custom tile by using the Teamcenter risk client. So what is the tile? In Teamcenter Active Workspace, a tile refers to a graphical element or widget that provides specific functionality or information within the user interface. These tiles are displayed on the user workspace, and they are designed to help the user access to the relevant data or perform the task more efficiently. So let's talk about the benefits of using a custom tile. The first benefit is tailored user experience. So custom tile allow to create a specific user interface and dashboard that are tailored to your organization needs. This can enhance the user productivity by providing an easy access to the relevant data or functionality. The second benefit is to improve the efficiency. So by placing a frequently used tool, report, or data on the custom tile, user can streamline their workflow and reduce the time it takes to access and interact with the critical information. The next benefit is integration. So custom tile can be used to integrate with the third-party application or link into the external data source. It enables a seamless connection between the Teamcenter and other tools that your organization use. Next benefit is data visualization. So custom tile can display a visualization data to make it easier for user to interpret and analyze the information. Another benefit is automation. So user can create a custom tile that automate the common task or process to reduce the manual effort and potential error. Next benefit is the user engagement. So custom tile can be designed to improve the user engagement and adoption of Teamcenter Active Workspace by presenting a more user-friendly interface. Next benefit is reporting and analytics. So custom tile can provide a quick access to a real-time report and analytics to help user make like a data-driven decision within the Teamcenter environment. And the last benefit is customization. So user can customize the dashboard by adding or removing the tile, rearranging the layout, and configure the tile to display the information that most relevant to their work. So to create a custom tile in Active Workspace, we need to access to the 2-tier or 4-tier Teamcenter risk client. And we also need to log in to the risk client by the DBA account. Now let's discuss on step how to create a custom tile. So first of all, we need to create a tile template because this will provide an action to the tile. So in the action right here, we depend on the action tab that we select in this area. So for example, if we select the external link, then we will need to provide an external link or the URL into this action area right here. So there are four common action tabs in the tile template. The first one is the default action tab. So when we click on the tile, it will go to the Active Workspace history token. The next action tab is the external link. So when we click on the tile, it will open the URL that we provided earlier in this action area in a new web browser tab. And then I will demonstrate this action tab today. Next action tab is the static resource. This action style is no longer supported. So instead, we can store the file in the Teamcenter database, and then we bin it into the user homepage. And the final action tab is the command tab. So when we click on the tile, it will then run the command that we set in the tile. And for the icon and icon source right here is where we input the icon of the tile. So basically, we can use the custom icon, or we can use the out of the box icon that provided from Siemens. And for the name, this is the name of the tile template. And for the template ID, this is the name of the tile template that we will be calling out in the tile. And for the theme index, so this is where we want to put the tile for. Like we want to use the tile for, like let's say if we only want the tile show in the admin location, so we select the admin location. Or if we want to pin it into the like every single user homepage, then we select the pin object in this theme index. And finally is the tile support size. So we have three common size for the tile. The first one is the small size, which is 1 by 1. The second is the wide size, which is 2 by 1, and lastly is the large size, which is 2 by 2. And after we create a tile template, we have to create a new tile and link this tile template into the new tile. So let's take a look on how to create a tile. So in the action parameter right here, we only need to enter the action parameter if we select the command as our action tab in the tile template. If we select all the action tab, we can skip this action parameter right here. For the display name, this is the tile name that displayed to the user. And for the name, this is the name of this tile that will show in the risk client. For the style area right here, it's only used if we have the custom tile that we need to add into this tile. So if we don't have the custom tile, we can use the out of the box one. And then we only need to enter either the tile template or the tile template ID that we just created in the previous step in this area right here. After we create a custom tile, then we need to pin it into the tile collection. So tile collection is where we can set like who can see the custom tile in the active workspace. So to pin a custom tile into the tile collection, we will need to follow into those steps below. First, in the general search, we will search for the tile collection that we want to put the custom tile in. Then we will do a copy and paste the tile onto that tile collection that we just selected. And when we paste the tile in, the tile property will pop up like this, and then we will need to focus on the follow main group. So the first one is the group. This is this is where we want to put the tile in the user workspace. So if we select the main group, it will show on the top left corner of the user workspace. And then if we we select the quick link, then it will pop up on the quick link on the active workspace. And next is the order number. This is like where we provide the location where we want to put the tile. And then the size is the size that we want to use for the tile. So if we want to use the small size, we can select 0, or if we want to use the wild size, we can select number 1 for the tile size. And lastly is the protected right here. I usually select true for the custom tile because it will prevent the tile from being invented by the user. And in today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a custom tile by using an external link. Workspace so we can see what is the purpose today. So in the Workspace, I'm going to create a custom tile named as Saratech User Manual. So that tile will contain the video, the training video from Saratech, and then all the training documentation. And then when we create the tile, we want to put it in this area right here. So now let's log into the Teamcenter client and by using the DBA account. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is create a folder named Saratech User Manual, and then from here I'm going to upload the training video and then the documentation in this folder for testing. The next thing I'm going to do is copy the URL that I'm going to use for the tile. And put it in the notepad. The next thing is I'm going to select the UID of the Saratech manual folder right here. I select that, go to Window, and select the print object. So I'm going to copy this URL right here, the UID, and then we place this from here. Now we can minimize this one and use it later. And also clean this one up. The next thing I'm going to do is create a tile template. But first, since I already have the custom icon that's used for this tile, so I'm going to select the image and then we'll copy. No, this is like this. We'll copy and then go back to the new stuff folder, new file, new. And from here, I'm going to select the tile template. First thing I'm going to do is paste the custom icon that I just copied earlier in here. So if you don't have a custom tile icon, you can use the out of the box one. So you can enter like home icon or item icon, something like that in here. And the next thing I'm going to do is in the action right here, I'm going to copy the URL that we want to use because the action tab is the external link. So I'm going to select the external link and then go back to here and copy the URL. Then give us a quick description. Something like that. And use the tile template name. This one, we can do a quick one. And then for the pin index, if you want to pin this tile into the user workspace, so I'm going to select the pin object. And for the tile size, so right now I'm going to add the 3 different sizes in here. So we can always go back to change the size if we want. Because if we don't add it right here, we cannot change the size later on. So select this, small size, the wild size, and glass size. Now hit finish. The next thing I'm going to do is create a tile. First I'm going to copy this one, the manual template that we just created, and then paste it into the new tile. So we will copy, and then go to File, create new tile. So in the accent parameter right here, you can skip it because the purpose of this tile is just open the tile folder in a new web browser tab. So we can skip this one right here, and then for the tile template ID, tile template right here, you can paste the template that I just created earlier. And give it a quick description. And the display name is where the user see the tile. So I'm going to Saratech user manual. Like that. And you can do the same for the name and the tile ID. Since I have a custom file sheet for this tile, so we want to use the Alpha box one. I'm going to hit finish. And in order to let the user see the tile inside the active workspace, we need to copy this tile and paste it into the tile collection. So I'm going to do copy, and then do a general search. And here I'm going to search for the tile collection. This one. And I want to show this tile to every single user in my organization. So I'm going to select the author workspace right here, and Control P to paste it in. And in here, I want to show the tile to the user. So right here, I'm going to select Light to True. And then I want to protect the tile so that the user cannot accidentally remove it from their workspace. And for the tile size, right now I'm going to select the small size first. And for the group, I'm going to select the main group because I want every single user see the tile when they log into their workspace. And hit finish. Now I'm going back to the active workspace and go back to the home page. And in here you can see the custom tile just added in here. And when I click on this tile, it will open a new tab, the new web browser tab. And inside this folder, it will show the user manual and then the video, the training video. So user can quickly access to their manual when they need it. Something like that. And then the last task I'm going to do is rearrange this tile into this location. So inside active workspace, so the tile is a small grid inside active workspace. So this one starting is 100, and the next one right here is 101, and right here is 102. So in order to get this tile into the correct location, the order number for the tile should be 103. So right now I'm going back to the Teamcenter Risk Client, And then right click on the user menu right here and select property on relation. And then as you can see, the order number is 2103 and hit OK. Since the tile has been published into my user tile collection, so right now I have to select my user tile collection and delete that, so that I can reset my my tile. So now delete that, and then I'm going back to my Chrome browser and clear the cache, so that it will pick up the new workspace. Setting, clear the browser, and open the new Google Chrome. And as you can see, the new custom tile has been placed into the correct location that we have planned before. Okay. So in today not takeaway, so the benefits of using custom tile is enhance user productivity by providing an easy access to relevant information and functionality. Display the user the visualization data to make it easier for user to interpret and analyze the information. User can streamline their workflow and reduce the time it takes to access and interact with the critical information. And the custom tile can be used to interact with the third-party application or link into the external data source, enabling a seamless connection between the Teamcenter and other tools that used by your organization. And lastly, it can be designed to improve the user engagement and adoption of Teamcenter Active Workspace by presenting a more user-friendly interface.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.